Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to another recipe. Come on, let's get started. Yeah, I'm making brown rice chicken bake with vegetable. I've already got started on my rice, my brown rice. It's been soaking for 2 hours along with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to just drain this off. I drained the water off the rice, and now I have my pot boiling over there, and I have my vegetable skillet and also my chicken skillet. I've added my rice to the water, and now I'm going to get started with my chicken. I'm using drumsticks today, and also 1 breast that I cut up. Actually, I'm going to cut the drumsticks in half so that it can look like thighs. I'm just cutting it with some scissors, cooking scissors. So I'm going to finish this up and I'll be back. The reason why I cut it off the drumstick is because my mother doesn't like it drumstick, so it gives it an illusion of a thigh. So let's get started with it. I have my seasonings here: garlic garlic powder, onion powder. I have paprika, Johnny seasoned salt, and pepper. Everything will be in the description below. I'm also cooking my rice for about 15 minutes to get it semi-done. I'm going to turn my chicken over. Just want to brown it on both sides for about 5 minutes. I'm going to turn the chicken down to medium-low, and I'm going to add my mushrooms and my green onions. I'm going to remove the chicken, and this is how it's supposed to look, brown on both sides. After I remove the chicken, I'm going to add the garlic to it. I'm going to add the garlic to the vegetables. And guys, if you're new to my channel and you find this recipe helpful, please subscribe and like it, and click the notification bell for upcoming videos. And after my rice gets semi-done, I'm going to put it in with the vegetables. I'll be back. This is how I like my rice to be. I just incorporate it with the vegetables, and I'm going to put some butter around it. And I'm going to add the chicken broth that I made from the backs of some chicken. Pour a nice little amount in it. And then I'm going to add my chicken back to it, and I'm going to bake it about 40 minutes. And then I'm going to put a little bit more seasoning. I'm going to taste my juice, and if it's not to where I want it to be, I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning. It needs a little bit of salt and just a little bit of pepper. You can season it to however you like to season yours. And this is how it looks. It tastes so good too. Okay, I'm going to put it in the oven for about 45 minutes, and I'll be back. I baked it for 40 minutes, and this is how it looks. All those vegetables looking so delicious. Now it's taste time. Okay, this is it. Looks delicious, delicious. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon pepper on mine.